A key problem with silver circuitry is ion migration. So here is a water drop test that we show using our standard SW180L paste, and we're comparing it to silver ion, to the silver traces, for example, silver metal traces. And this is a standard test done on a glass substrate with 6-volt DC power. And you can see in the picture up there the very large amount of material that is migrated out of the via in this case. So that's a standard silver problem. On the graph, the red line is pure silver. And you can see that it has very great migration. In the box is blown up subsection of that graph. Here you can see that silver copper alloys of various sorts show less ion migration, but they still show some ion migration. The SW180L is shown in blue, and you can see that it has very, very little ion migration, so considerably outperforming the pure silver and outperforming the silver copper alloys, which are materials that are being developed by some of our competitors. I can see that I've run out of time, so I'll jump through the